Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. I've got a story here today about a bartender on the MSC Musica who was caught red-handed. Let me tell you the story. We have a couple here, 54-year-old couple from Liverpool, England. We've got Paul and his wife Janet taking a cruise on the MSC Musica cruise ship. It's a 7-day cruise in the Mediterranean. And they had saved up a lot of money for this, £2,600 to take this cruise. And on the first day of the cruise, Paul misplaced his smartphone. Couldn't find it. Put the word out to the front desk and asked for help to find it, but the phone just never turned up. Anyway, they were having a great time on the ship and enjoying all the amenities. And they loved to go to one of their favorite bars, and they got to know the bartender behind the counter, and he got to know their favorite drinks, and all was going very well. One day, the bartender, they always play games on these ships, and he proposed that they play a game called Mr. and Mrs. Now, in the UK, this is a TV show where you are quizzed about how well you know your wife, and your wife is quizzed on how well she knows you. And there's even a home game edition, apparently. Well, the bartender gave him a bunch of questions, and usually questions like, where's your partner born? What color is her eyes, his eyes? Is your partner a tidy person? He asked the wife, what's your husband's smartphone password? Do you know that one, the passcode? She just blurted it out, knew it right off the top, and thought nothing of it. Well, after the cruise is over, the couple returned to Liverpool, and the husband Paul ended up ordering a new phone through eBay. His phone arrived, and he decided he would sync his phone through his iCloud account to download his contacts and his photos like these from his previous trips and other things. When they found selfies of this guy, the bartender, they found selfies of the bartender in various areas of the ship, including vaping in the bathroom, a big no-no. He was taking selfies of himself with his new iPhone, the iPhone that the couple had misplaced and that he had been able to get the code from the wife from. Sneaky bugger. MSC has been contacted by Paul and Janet. MSC investigated the whole thing, and this gentleman is fired. He's out. The couple was refunded £300 for the purchase of the new phone, and a humble apology from MSC over the employee's behavior. But let me tell you, if your bartender wants you to play a game of Mr. and Mrs. the next time you go on a cruise and he asks you for your personal code for your password or your bank account, you might want to hold off giving him that kind of info because it could come back to bite you. Anyway, there's the story. What can I say? The bartender is out of a job, and the phone has also been returned to the couple as well. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel today and hit the bell notification icon. You'll get an alert every time I do a new video. Thanks for joining me today. This is Bruce with Traveling with Bruce. Talk to you later, everybody. Bye for now.